Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Through English lesson series by ifactner.com. In this lesson we are going to learn what do we call different parts of house in Dutch. Parts of house are called delen van het huis. Delen are parts, van het of the house. Delen van het huis. Let's begin our lesson. Basement, kelder, K-A-L-D-A-R, kelder, kelder, kelder. Bathtub, badkuip, B-A-D, bad, K-U-I-P, kaup, badkuip, badkuip, badkuip. Bathroom, badkamer, B-A-D, bad, K-A-M-A-R, kamer, badkamer. Bad is bath and kamer is room. Basin is called becken, B-A-K-K-A-N, becken, becken, becken. Bedroom, slaapkamer, S-L-A-A-P, slap, slap means sleeping, kamer means room. K-A-M-A-R, kamer, slaapkamer, slaapkamer, slaapkamer. Carpet is called tapijt. Its ing are pronounced as y, tapijt. T-A-P-E-Y-T, tapijt, tapijt, tapijt. Ceiling is plafond, P-L-A-F-O-N-D, plafond, plafond, plafond. Chimney is schoorsteen, S-C-H-O-O-R, schoor, S-T-E-E-N, steen, schoorsteen, schoorsteen, schoorsteen. Fence is called hak, H-A-K, hak, hak, hak. Fireplace is hard, hard, H-A-R-D, hard, hard, hard. Garage is garage, garage, H-A-R-A, garage, garage, garage. Garden is town, T-O-T-U-E-N, town, town, town. Gate is port. The word portal has been derived from the word port, P-O-O-L-T, port, port, port. Kitchen is koken, K-K-A-U-K-A-N, koken, koken, koken. Living room is woonkamer, W-O-O-N, woon, K-A-M-A-R, kamer, woonkamer, woonkamer, woonkamer. Loft is zolder, Z-O-L-D-A-R, zolder, zolder, zolder. Radiator is radiator, radiator, R-A-D-E-R-T-O-R, radiator, radiator, radiator. Roof is duck, D-A-K, duck, duck, duck. Room is calmer, K-A-M-A-R, calmer, 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 calmer. Rug is tapete, T-A-P-E-E-T, tapete, tapete, tapete. Shed is score, score, S-C-H-O-O-R, score, 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 score. Shower is douche, D-O-U-C-H-A, douche, douche, douche. Stairs is trap, T-R-A-P, trap, trap, trap. Toilet is WC, 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 or you can say toilet. Wall is moor, M-O-O-R, moor, M-O-O-R, moor, moor, moor. So this was our lesson on how do we call different parts of house in Dutch. So guys and girls, as a practice session, please listen to this video once again and repeat after the instructor. If you would like to download the PDFs and do some more exercises regarding this video, then please visit ifactner.com. Please like our video and please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Dag, doei.